This video is a bit of a winding path. My friends recently began brewing mead and pressing their own apple cider, and when I asked, they generously let me come over and help out with the process and film it. And sitting outside in their garden, making a classic fall beverage, it made me think about what other beverages I could make, or at least the ones I had been planning on making. My grandfather passed away towards the end of the summer. He had been having trouble eating, so I had bought all the ingredients to make drinking chocolate, inspired by my local chocolate shop, to bring to him. I never got to make it for him. But my parents were visiting this weekend, so it felt like the perfect time to finally make the sipping chocolate.
It's so good. It's like liquid chocolate pudding.
That's incredible.
It's super good.
Thank you. Grandpa would have liked it?
Grandpa would have liked it.
Good.
Very much. Yes, Grandpa.
Okay.
Autumn is a prime time for drinking tea, and when I want to get fancy, I go to my local tea shop. They have their own version of a tea robot, the Beacon, that uses pressure and precise temperatures to brew tea quickly and perfectly. And it makes an excellent tea latte.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And finally, there's the main event, the apple cider pressing. This machine was made decades ago and was lent to this friend by another friend's family. Community really is amazing. We started by washing the apples, in this case in a cooler, and it really makes it obvious how bobbing for apples became a game. Then the apples go into the press, which feels like a bit of a misnomer because first it grinds them. The juice is already dripping out, but then we press. Here's what the apple remains look like after the whole process. Apparently, it makes great compost. Before any bottling happens, the cider is pasteurized, making the kitchen smell amazing. We tasted their ciders and meads and generally had a great time. Cheers!
It's really good.
It's so fresh.
It's tart, but it's floral.
Floral. She wants to chase the squirrel so bad.
And today, after I got my latest COVID booster, I wasn't exactly feeling great, so to help me feel a little bit better, I brewed some tea again. The ginger and honey soothed my sore throat, and I was just so grateful for all the experiences I've had this week. This is a different kind of video, not really a tutorial or a vlog. I think of it more like a scrapbook, told in drinks. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Cheers!